Okay, so what we're gonna do is put on a third solar panel up on the top here. So first things first, we're gonna measure the solar panel. 36.5. These brackets are upside down right now, but the reason why I put them on there so I can measure from here to the edge of the trailer, and then I'm putting them on the back side. So let's take a walk back there, see what happens. Let's get up on top of here. Grab a little cardboard to scribble on so we remember our measurements. Left the window open last night. All right, so hopefully this GoPro's on my head right. There's the edge. There's the edge of the bracket. That's how it's going to look right there. Brackets come out this way. So I'm going to get a measurement from the edge, which I can still see. It's about 4 inches, okay? So now we know. We're going to do 4 inches from the edge, and we're going to put the other solar panel not here but on the other side. So what I'm going to do, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and put it on this side. And then when I add a fourth one, I can always go on the other side. There was a reason why I was going to put the solar panel over there first, but that's not important really. All right, so 4 inches. So now what we're going to do is we're going to measure. We're going to set the solar panel up over here, and then we're going to go inside, and we're going to feel. We're not going to feel. We're actually going to go inside and find the joists, and then from there I'm going to show you a trick. All right, let's get down here. Let me go up here and measure something else I forgot to measure, which is very important. 2 1/4 inch. 2 1/4 inch. So it should be the same on both sides. Now there's 16 inch on center, so you got a 16 there, and then from there you're gonna have a 32. All right, so I gotta get down because it's starting to rain. I gotta close this up. I'll be back. Anyway, so what we got here, we find the middle of the solar panel, and you measure 16 because the joists up there inside the trailer are 16 inches apart on center. So from the center, you measure 16 inches right there. That's when one bracket's going to go. Then you come from the center, measure 16 inches, and that's where the other bracket's going to go. And they kind of look like that when they're done. So now I'm going to finish these two off. Then the next step is to drill a hole, one little hole, tiny little pilot bit, through the bottom from the inside up. That's all I need. That'll give me the first one, and then the rest I can measure and get them straight and line them up and screw from the top. Some butyl tape, some self-leveling steel sealant, and then we'll be doing that after. I checked that way, measure this way. There's the little hole, one little tiny bit through it, the center of the joist, and we should be all right. So that's what it looks like when it's done. The most important thing is that you make sure you put plenty of that stuff on there. What I did before, I put some butyl tape on the bottom of the bracket, right where it goes to the roof itself, and put a little tiny piece of butyl tape around the screw. Screwed it in, tightened it down good, and then last thing I do is I put this self-leveling sealant all the way around. And that's what it looks like. Next video, I'm gonna wire this up and hook them up into the other two right over there. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, give me some thumbs up, and I'll be very happy, and we'll see you next time. Dave from Yanis Outdoor Adventures.
Think you got it together in your Mercedes.